Making money on Shutterstock involves becoming a contributor and uploading high-quality, in-demand photos, videos, or illustrations. Become a contributor. Sign up as a contributor on Shutterstock's platform and submit your work for review. Ensure your content meets their quality and technical standards. Quality content creation. Create diverse, original, and high-resolution images, videos, or illustrations that cater to various themes, niches, or trends. Focus on popular and trending topics. Keyword optimization. Accurately describe and tag your content with relevant keywords. This optimizes its visibility in searches and increases the chances of potential buyers discovering your work. Regular uploads. Maintain a consistent uploading schedule to keep your portfolio fresh and increase visibility. Continuously add new content to attract more buyers. Varied content types. Diversify your portfolio with different types of content to appeal to a wider audience. Experiment with various styles and subjects. Promote your portfolio. Share your Shutterstock portfolio on social media, your website, or through your network. Encourage people to explore and purchase your content. Monitor performance. Track your content's performance using Shutterstock's analytics tools. Identify which images or videos sell well and focus on creating similar content. Patience and persistence. Making significant money on Shutterstock takes time and persistence. Keep improving your skills, exploring trends, and adapting to buyer preferences.